Baby bird, the shadows are getting longer. Yes, they are. Here comes Mama back again. Come on, you can do it. She's gonna feed you some more. Oh, look, she won't. No, she did. She can't resist feeding her baby. But look, if you fly, you can get it for yourself. Come on, baby. Oh, oh, she's a good mama. She keeps feeding you. Go follow her. Come on. Go, go, go. Oh, you can do it. You can do it. Come on, baby bird. You've been sitting there for 3 hours now. Maybe even longer. How did you get there? Come on, baby bird. No? See, you get all excited and you cheep and you flutter your wings, but you just won't take the next step. Oh, there comes Mama back again. She's right over there. There she is. Come on, baby bird. I wonder if she'll knock you off and make you fly. Nope. Guess you're supposed to be in the nest. Did you get out before you were ready somehow? One of your brothers or sisters push you out? Baby bird, you can't sit on the back of a chair. You gotta go. Come on. Fly. Go. No. Go. 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 You can do it. Go. Oh, you're stretching. Yeah, you're looking at me now. You know I'm rooting for you. Maybe you see yourself in the window. Go, baby bird, go. Okay, we'll check back later.